guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys my deep conditioning routine, and this time I am going to use extra virgin olive oil. It is the Kroger brand. I got it from Kroger off of the baking aisle with all of the oils and other baking goods. So all I do is pour some in my hand, and I did pour a good amount because I feel like I need that extra moisture for my hair. And I am just working it in, starting from my ends and then working my way up to the roots. As I'm working the product in, I'm also finger detangling. It was a lot easier for me to finger detangle after I had already gone through my wash day process. And also, if you haven't seen my wash day process and the products that I used, I will have that video linked for you guys by the end of this video. So on this side, I'm just doing the same thing as I did on the other side. I am distributing the oil throughout my hair, and I am starting at the ends and working my way up to the roots and finger detangling all at the same time. I feel like it's looking much better than it was from last time. So my goal is to deep condition weekly so I can add the moisture and elasticity back to my hair because I lost a lot of it. So here, I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. It looks very much moisturized, or a lot more moisturized than it did the last time. And yeah, this is, I'm not gonna say it's a huge difference, but it's a good little difference. So I'm gonna do a little flashback showing you guys what it looked like the first time I used the Curldrip product line to wash my hair. So this is after I used the deep conditioner the first time. I didn't use any oil, I just used the conditioner. And as you can see, it looks pretty good, but it is so scraggly and stringy, and it still looks a bit dry. So since then, it has come a little bit further in progress. So I can't be too mad at that. So I went ahead and did a twist out, and now I'm going to show you guys how I take it down. Okay, so now I'm going to add some oil to my fingertips, and I'm going to start the taking down process. So basically, I just unravel the twist the opposite way that I twisted it. And I'm careful not to make it too frizzy. That's another reason why I put the oil on my fingertips, so I can avoid as much frizz as possible. So I basically just grab one side of the twist and wrap the hair. I grab one side of the twist and I grab the other side and just wrap it around the opposite way. Hope that makes sense to you guys. But I went ahead and zoomed in so you could get a closer look. And I'm going to continue that process throughout my entire head. Okay, so all of the twists are out. So now what I'm going to do is take a pick and I'm going to gently lift it only at the roots so I can get a bit more volume. I am very careful not to drag it all the way through my hair because it will tear up all of my curls and I would just be a big frizz ball. So only at the roots, and I did it in an upward motion just to give me a bit more volume. So now I'm just going to style it. I honestly just freestyled something. It's a half up, or it's going to be a half up, half down do. I thought it was pretty cute. But yeah, that's all I'm doing is styling and finessing at this point. Okay, so at this point, I am pretty much done. I am still finessing a bit, trying to get it to the point where I'm going to be content with it. And yeah, so that is it, you guys. I have just one more step to do after this. But yeah, that is basically the whole twist out style. I definitely think these results came out a lot better than they did last time. My braid out was still a bit frizzy and dry, but this time I believe using the olive oil with the deep conditioner really helped. So now it is time for the finishing touches. I'm going to finish off with some Shine Gloss by Curldrip. I did use this entire line in my wash day video. As I stated earlier, I will be linking that video at the end of this one so you guys can go ahead and see my routine. But the entire line is available at www.curldripnaturals.com. I will have that linked in the description box for you guys as well. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will be back in a week to deep condition again and to show you guys my process. It is already looking so much better and healthier. I am going to be so happy when it's back to what it used to be, but it's all a process and it won't happen overnight. Thank you guys. I'll catch you in the next video.